found the boat out here.
Monsters. I use a bluegill bigger than my hand.
Yeah, I fish right there.
And I tell you, if you're gonna catch some monster smallmouth, 7-pounders.
Going up the Chucky?
No, same place.
Really?
But you gotta wait till right now, October, November, all the way through March. Float down through there with a.
I think it's grounded. You're almost at the big rope now.
There's 100 foot of that big one.
100 foot. It's about to be where he can pull up right there if he wanted to. Get a shorter bite on it. Alrighty. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's moving slow. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's coming. There's a good chance that motor's on there with the way it's dragging those logs. I don't know.
It was bolted on.
Motor on it? I don't think so.
There's a traction.
Yeah, right there it is. I see the foot.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I see the foot.
That is nuts, dude. The motor stayed on it and everything.
It's probably crashed. Ain't that lucky.
Well, I took my shoes off and we got down in here and got it flipped over. We're about to pull it out of here. Motor's still on it. Yeah, that's what we was coding on there just a second ago.
Right there for a second.
See it floats up, of course, yeah.
Yeah. That's got flotation in it.
You go ahead, go on.
Let it drain for a second.
forward a little bit?
Once you get the transit out, I pull the plug and then we pull it on out.
Yeah, you can pull it on out. Go ahead.
Yep, try it.
Go ahead, go.
Yeah.
I'm spinning here. Hang on, guys.
That'd be good, Kurt.
Got 2 4-wheelers hooked up now.
Ready?
First one was spinning. They're both spinning.
Huh? Probably easy this way.
They drain down about a foot. He's like a kid in the candy store. Go ahead, it ain't gonna come out plug.
On up, bro. Four-wheel drive. Watch out, guys. Kick one of them steps. There you go.
It's pulling it right out of there.
There you go.
Look at that.